Just wanted to come on real quick and say that I am 7 days since my total knee replacement, and just some things that I have recognized. I am very thankful that I have had a place to stay during this time, so I haven't just been in my van. However, I really do miss being in my van. I miss the coziness, the smallness. Everything is just right there. And I think my dogs miss it as well. We're going to be moving back into the van this weekend. Yay! So I'm excited for that. But there's some things that I just wanted to talk about real quick that I think are important to remember if you do have a surgery like this. First of all, number one is to stay hydrated. Drink lots of water. Yes, it is possible to drink too much water, but I think that that's not an easy thing for anyone to do. I think we all could drink more water. So making sure you're staying hydrated. Eating, good foods, of course. Staying active. I feel fortunate because I'm taking care of animals, and so I get up in the morning and I use my walker to go out and get the chickens and the ducks and the goat out and fed. My walker, I just feel safer with that because the ground isn't completely even. So that keeps me active in the morning and the afternoon. I have my dogs. So I have gone to the dog park twice now, and I'm going to go again this afternoon. And that's very nice. Not only to be active, but also to have the social aspect of it with other dog owners and people that I know. I always make sure that there's somebody there that I know and that my dogs know, just in case something happens, that they can help me out. So staying active and staying connected. So I feel fortunate because I have the dog park that helps me stay connected. But keeping connected with your community as well. Not everybody is going to call and check on you and see how you're doing because they are living their lives. And while you are in their thoughts, they still are living their lives. And it's not always easy to just stop and call to check on you. So it is important for you to reach out to people and not wait for them to reach out for you. And they want to help, they want to be a support. And I have found that when I reach out to others, they are very grateful that I did contact them. Along those lines is asking for help. I do have people who will check in. I'm going to the store. Do you need anything? And so that is very helpful. But it's also important that if you need something or you just need someone to help, it's okay to ask, to call, text, whatever you need to do to have somebody come and help you, even if it's a small task. They say that your healing isn't a linear process, that you heal, but then you can have some setbacks, and then you heal some more and you have some setbacks. So just because you were able to do something today doesn't mean that you're going to be able to do it tomorrow. And it's important to make sure that if you don't feel good about doing it, that you ask for that help. And then accepting help. If somebody calls and asks, anything, can I come and clean your house? Can I come and help you with the animals? What can I come and help with? It's important for you to be able to accept that help. So these are some of the things that I have noticed, and I was thinking a lot about it today because I am feeling a little bit lonely, a little bit isolated. The house that I'm taking care of is a little further outside of town, and I am driving because I'm off of my pain medications, except for Advil and Tylenol. And so I can drive into town. I do drive to the dog park, so that's very helpful. But making sure that if you aren't able to get out, do a video chat. If you can do a video chat with a friend, or even just a phone call with a friend. And if you need somebody just to come over just for that touch, for that hug, it's okay to ask for that. It's important. And I'm sure that you would be willing to do it for somebody else, and they are willing and happy to do it for you. So it is I feel very fortunate because I feel like my healing is going very well and quickly. And so I feel fortunate, but it still is, it's hard. I can't move my leg. It's swollen. It's hard to sleep at night. There's just a lot of things that happen, and it's just so important to remember that community is important. So I guess these are more tips for people who are on their own, who don't have other people around them. But even if you do have your family around you and you're getting that support, it still is important to do all of these things, to stay active, to stay connected with your friends, with the people that you know. And so I hope that you have a wonderful day. And I am so excited to get back into the van. And I personally feel more connected being in my van than I do in a home, because in my van I can go where I want to go. When you have a home, you want to be at home, but you're not always around people. So it's been a wonderful experience. I'm very grateful for it. And anyhow, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.